All right, picture this. You walk into your living room and it just feels kinda basic. No worries. Today, I'm breaking down 5 electronic upgrades that'll seriously level up your space, and you don't have to break the bank. Let's jump right in. First up, smart lighting. I know, it sounds super futuristic, but swapping your regular bulbs for smart ones is a total game changer. You can control the vibe with your phone or voice, dim the lights for movie night, or go full disco when your friends come over. Seriously, it's the easiest way to make your living room feel high-tech, and you can even set schedules so you never walk into a dark room again. Next, a streaming device upgrade. If your TV's still rocking basic cable, it's time to join the future. Get yourself a Roku, Apple TV, or Chromecast. Instant access to Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, and more, all in one place. Plus, these things make navigating your favorite shows way faster and smoother. And if you're a gamer, some of them double as game consoles too. Number 3, a killer soundbar. Let's be real, the speakers on most TVs are kinda sad. A good soundbar transforms your movie nights and makes music sound legit. Some even come with built-in voice assistants, so you can control your tunes hands-free. It's one of those upgrades you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Fourth, smart plugs. Now this might not sound exciting, but hear me out. Smart plugs let you control anything you plug in right from your phone. That means you can schedule lamps, fans, or even your coffee maker to turn on automatically. Plus, they're perfect for making your old-school devices just a little bit smarter. And finally, number 5, a wireless charging station. No more hunting for tangled cords or fighting over outlets. Set up a sleek wireless charging pad on your coffee table and watch your friends' faces when they realize they can just drop their phone and it charges. Simple, tidy, and it just looks cool. So there you have it. 5 quick electronic upgrades that'll make your living room smarter, cooler, and just way more fun to hang out in. Got your own favorite tech hack? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what's working in your space. If you liked this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more easy upgrade wins. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.